So a big topic in our pro community is, what level do I have my clients follow a meal plan I give them? Do I have them follow every single meal, every single ingredient? Should I push perfection right from the start? Well, that goes to the question, what's the most important goal of the program? Is it perfection or is it progress? So there's a famous quote that says, perfection is the enemy of progress. And that relates more than anything to your clients, their goals, and keep them motivated and on track. If they push from perfection right from the start, they may overly commit themselves, and that may hinder the results. So what's the solution? Coach perfection, but don't coach perfection with their actions or the actual meal plan, but coach it with their efforts, okay? Tomorrow, I'm waking up, I'm committing to one meal, one recipe, whatever it is, no matter how small, have them commit to it, act on it, and achieve it. And let that drive more progress, which will create more results that last.